Wow.
Jess? Jess!
Ya necesi atla oradan atla ha. Bak Nuggets da ilginç bir kurmuş.
Jess, where did you go? This is not funny. Jess! Buddy, you in there?
Oğlum nasıl gideceğiz oraya? Hah.
Jessica! Oh, come on.
Bu nasıl oldu ya?
Whoa! Christ!
Ne oldu nasıl oldu? Merak etmiyor musun şu anda ne olduğunu orada?
Scared the blue out of my jeans. The hell is that doing in there anyway?
Şu an merak etmiyor musun onu ya? What the fuck is that?
Jess? Hun? Light of my life?
Hayatımın ışığı mı? Sen bayağı kaptırmışsın çocuk.
Seriously. This is not funny.
Bunlara da bakıp devam etmeleri çok ilginç abi. Bakıp şey demiyor mu abi, yerde totem gördüm beynime bir şeyler yolladı. The fuck?
I totally promise I won't murder you when I... Oh my... No.
That was so good!
No!
Wait, you have to see this. You have to...
I'm not
Look,
seeing
no,
it.
no, Mike.
No! You recorded that?
Look at your face!
I was scared, Jet. You can't just jump out at somebody. I'm in the middle of the woods. It's scary.
I'm sorry to scare you.
If we send that to anybody,
You're
I'm
what?
gonna kill you.
I didn't know you had such a cute little ladylike scream, Michael. Guess you never really know someone until you've scared the pants off of them.
As far as I can tell, my pants are still on.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
Şu oyunu yani 6 kere
Second,
izledim.
try
Chris'in
harder.
yerinde bile olsam bu kadar korkmam. Herhalde kendimi
Well,
sinirlendim
I
baba.
hope you're strapped in, because you're about to feel the full force of my mind-melting thrill
Ne
skills.
oluyor ya?